everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kids, today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Yellow color, red color, light green color, and the next one is light pink color, white color, purple color, brown color, dark green color, sky blue color, dark pink color, and the next one is orange color, black color, and the last one is silver color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is tens. Kids, now we're writing alphabets and numbers.